say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Hi, my name is Bridget Pitts and I am your Student Body Spirit Coordinator. Once again, here is a little video assembly that I put together to make times like this a little easier for everyone. And thank you so much for all of the good feedback for this week's Spirit Week, and thank you for all dressing up, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
I'm Caleb Vilnas.
I'm Andrew Cameron.
Jacob Hansen.
Alex Gutierrez.
And we're the Perry Wrestling Team Captains. We got a couple undefeated Perry wrestlers. We're going to have a great season this year.
Go Pumas!
I'm Christian Tucker, Dylan Anderson, and we are part of the Perry men's basketball team. We are 5-0, undefeated. Catch our next game, Puma Nation. Yeah!
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm Gabby, and we're the captains of the Perry girls basketball team.
Go Pumas!
Hi, I'm Cole Grant.
I'm Luke Macias.
I'm Cole Wood.
And we are the captains for the Perry men's varsity team. Go Pumas.
Hi, I'm McKellar Reed.
I'm Jasmine Brass.
I'm Jerry Lujan.
and we're the 3 captains of the Perry varsity soccer team. We're currently 6-0 and undefeated.
Come watch our next game.
WSFC, go Pumas!
Bust it, is you? 2 shots, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, is you? 2 shots, bust it.
Top notch, on A-list, dig this city crush. Can't flex like this, old country can't dress like this. Buy, do it on the deep, in the carry.
Fast on that, I'ma spaz on that. Go to sleep, take a nap, I'ma crash on that. I won't bad for no beat, I won't cry for no. If it broke, put a cast on that. Rich with an attitude, RWA.
You is.
Check out kids, I know how you play. Ice Cube, peanut, eat a souffle. These hoes my sons, I should call them an O'Shea.
Boys, I ain't pressed for 'em. I need a with a paddock and a tech on him. Big chrome hearts and baguettes on him. If he got the bread, I'ma do the rest for him, period. Do it on it, do it on it, bow. Do it on it, 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 bow. Do it on it, ayy, do it.
2 shots to class A, I'm feeling it. I'm a little bad while he drilling it. Pull up on the block, I'm spinning it. Don't go up on the land when I get in it. Period. Young lit bitch, I'm really rich. Never too famous to be the passenger seat where the heater is. Get a nigga gone ASAP, no fur. Feeling like walk my wrist on fur. Can't go in if they check my purse. You better let me get my first. Double hand twist, I spit and I slurp. I got this pussy, they stir. Real trap nigga, he moving at work. My wrist a brick, my nigga hurt.
Just kicking it, spinning it, sipping it. That's right. Feeling it, feeling it, killing it, winning it. I'm feeling it.
everybody, my name is Ella and I am the co-sponsor of Leo Club. Leo Club is a community service and leadership club on campus. So we focus a lot on community service and volunteering, whether that be making different care packages for the homeless, writing letters to teachers or soldiers, or anything else we can do to spread impact in our local community. We also do in-person volunteering at different rescues, or with our sponsoring Lions Club at events that they have, or Feed My Starving Children. So it's a super fun club that also focuses on leadership and preparing you for college and the next steps. And we would totally love to have you, whether that be this year or next year.
Hi Perry, my name is Tina and I'm the president of Asian Culture Club. We are starting up again this year and we're hoping to get new members in. So part of Asian Culture Club is that, of course, we learn about Asian cultures, but also in a fun way. So some of the things we cover are the history, the people, and even music of that culture. So if you're interested, this is totally a social club for your own entertainment. Please join us.
Hey Pumas, my name is Miri Chan and I'm the co-president of the Operation Smile Club here. Operation Smile is an organization that raises money for kids who have cleft lips and cleft palates so they can get surgery. We do tons of fundraisers and service projects. We just did our World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser, if you saw the boxes around campus. We accept new members all year long and we'd love to have you join our club. You can follow us at Perry Operation Smile on Instagram for more information to join. Bye!
Hey Pumas! We are part of Sparrow Club and we are all about helping those in need and volunteering in the community.
And we really want to help you guys get involved too.
Sparrow Club is asking you to help us make an impact by donating your hours, joining the Sparrow community, or even both.
What does donating your hours look like?
You can scan the QR code found up in Ms. Stork's classroom to see through a form.
Please only submit hours that you've gotten since the start of the school year. These hours can even be from other clubs that you participate in.
These flyers are found around the school, so when you click on it, you get to a Google form.
Why should you submit your hours to the Sparrow Club community?
These hours turn into money for families in our Sparrow Club community.
What an easier way to help the community. Now, let's talk about joining Sparrow Club.
Why should you join Sparrow Club? It's great for college and job applications as well as scholarships.
It's also a way to meet new friends and spend time with your friends. We also have volunteering opportunities to give back to the community.
One last thing, you don't need to be part of Sparrow Club to submit hours. So get started today. It's never too late. All you have to do is scan the QR codes on the flyers or join the Remind.
Thank you, Pumas!